Year coming to a close and taxes approaching us fast, I want to give you the 5 self-employed tax deductions that I'm going to take on my tax return this year, coming up right after
Your
this.
trusted real estate source, one video at a time.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Alex. I'm a top producer, real estate agent out here in Washington, and I designed this whole YouTube channel around real estate. So if you're curious about how to make money through real estate, how to invest in real estate, well then think about hitting that subscribe button down there. Now on to the video you're waiting for. So maybe you're self-employed right now, maybe you're thinking about becoming self-employed, getting your real estate license. Well, what you need to know is that there are great tax deductions available to you being self-employed. And number 1, your health insurance premiums, your dental, this is all tax deductible. Now you might even be able to claim this deduction for one of your kids that are under 27 years old, even if they're not considered a dependent. With all these deductions that I'm listing, I'm gonna take, so definitely talk with your own tax advisor in your own personal situation, because it can depend on your own personal situation for what you can take as a deduction. Number 2 is a home office deduction. If you take the simplified deduction that the IRS gives you, they simply give you $5 per square foot for a maximum deduction of $1,500 a square foot. Now this is the number 1 reason the IRS will probably audit you, so you need to make sure that you have proof that you only use this room for professional reasons only. By me doing these YouTube videos, I can actually deduct this room, and this is my office, right? So I make YouTube videos in here. It's part of my marketing being self-employed. This room is 120 square feet, so it's a $600 deduction on this year's tax return. In addition to that, these lights I have, this mic, this phone stand, anything I do for this YouTube channel is tax deductible, including this home office. Now, number 3 is your business car miles. This is a huge one. A lot of people don't maximize this, but it can actually accrue up to thousands and thousands of dollars of a tax deduction depending on how many business miles you drive throughout the year. Now, if you're using your car for both personal and business use, you just simply need to figure out and keep a log of how much do you use it for personal use, how much do you use it for business use. So if you had 10,000 miles of business use for the year and you use your car 50% of the time for business, well then you can take a $5,000 deduction for that year. Now keep in mind, if the IRS does audit you, you're gonna have to have some type of proof that you actually drove that amount of miles. So keep track of all your business miles. If it's either in an app, which I do, if you want to go old-fashioned and write it all down, you can do that as well. I can link in the show notes the app that I use. It's a self-employed app and it automatically tracks all your miles. It's super easy. That's the route that I would go, but either way, just make sure that you track all your miles so if you do get audited, you have proof. Number 4, your self-employed retirement accounts. This is another great reason to save for retirement because it's gonna lower your tax bill. Now this includes simple IRAs, a SEP IRA, a 401k. Now keep in mind, all these different retirement accounts have different contribution limits that you can make for that tax year. So definitely talk with your tax advisor to see how much you can contribute to that account and how it would benefit you on your tax bill. Number 5 is advertising. And being a real estate agent, I can do so much advertising for myself. For example, this YouTube channel, if I put ads out on this YouTube channel, that's 100% tax deductible. Any type of Facebook ad, any ad promoting myself in my business is 100% tax deductible. So if I'm meeting a new client or maybe taking out a current client for lunch, well, that meal's 50% deductible on my tax return. There you guys have it. Hopefully you got some type of value out of this video and learned some further tax deductions that you can take on your 2019 tax return. As always, guys, I appreciate the support. Stay tuned for the 2 videos coming Wednesday and Friday. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys then. Peace.